Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon. It is Mrs. Carr, and today is Thursday, May 14th. Quick and short and sweet as all the rest of this week has been. We're going to go ahead and post Friday's quizzes today. That way, if you want to get jump start on your weekend, feel free. And then you're going to go ahead and answer in the discussion post. So you only got those two things. And if you finish it today, then you don't have it tomorrow. Okay, guys. So again, your quizzes and your discussion post. That's it. That's all you have. Okay. This is short and sweet, guys. And again, if you finish it today, then you don't have to worry about it tomorrow. Or if you want to put it off until tomorrow, that's fine too. As always, make sure you hit us up in Microsoft Teams. You can chat with us. You can video us. If you need additional help, if you want to have a group time, that's fine by us. Whatever you need, we're here for you. Please let us know if you have questions. All right, guys, y'all take care. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.